Eva, get in line.
It's a slide, it goes all the way down. Yeah? Come here, Joe.
Stand in line with Eva. There you go. What are you guys going to do?
Go down a slide.
A slide inside the giant treehouse?
Somebody under there? It's a slide. It goes down. So go under.
Kind of froze up there.
Didn't want to do it? Come here. Huh? You going to go this way? Are you going to go down? Going down the stairs. I'll meet you down there, okay? Wait for this girl to go. You're going to go down? All right. Sit down. Bye. Wait for her to slide. All right, go. Whee!
I like everything in here.
Oh, you're coming up? Should you slide down?
In you go. Guys in her, line up behind her.
Joe, you coming back up?
And now your turn. Go, dude.
You gonna do that again?
Go.
No, it's the right way.
All right.
Slide down.
Where's Eva? She came up the other way.
Yeah.
I don't see her. Oh, there she is. All right, here go. You little sneak.
All right, we'll meet you down there.
This is so fun.
Can you come down?
Eva, this way. Eva, this way. Wrong way. Turn to your right. There you go.
You don't need to.
Up you go, kiddo.
She's coming.